Namaste friends. As in previous session we had an introduction on what is tolerance and its terminologies which we used in it. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is fit. While making assembly of two part, whether you want tight or loose fitting, this degree of tightness and looseness is called as fit. Here this is the welding fixture which we have made for one of our client. Now here you can see the slider assembly which we had in the assembly tutorial. Now if you have observed here, this slider is sliding in this bush and this bush is fixed in this block. Means slider having the loose fit in bush and the bush having a tight fit with this block. So the fit of mating part is totally depends on the function of two components. Fit is majorly classified in three types. First is the clearance fit, second is the interference fit, and third is the transition fit. Before we move on this topic, let me clear one point. While assembly majorly there is a category of two part. First part having the inside diameter and second part having the outer diameter. So here part having the inside diameter we call it as hole and part having the outer diameter we call it as shaft. We will refer the hole and shaft for understanding the concept of fit. Also in this session we will be using the terminologies which we learned in the previous session. Now let's start with the clearance fit. To understand this practically, let's take an example. Here we have a bush with the inside diameter of 35 mm with a tolerance of plus 0.1 and plus 0.3. Now here upper limit will be 35.3 and lower limit will be 35.1. Same like hole, we will take shaft having the diameter of 35 mm with a tolerance of plus 0.0 and minus 0.2. So after making the addition here, we will get upper limit as 35.00 and lower limit as 34.8. When we assemble this part together, we will notice that there is a gap in between two mating parts. Here we can see the gap in between bush and slider. This gap is nothing but clearance, and this is what a clearance fit is, in which we get loose fit in between two mating part. Clearance fit can be calculated as hole dimension minus shaft dimension. Now if I ask you to calculate the minimum clearance and maximum clearance in between the mating part, then here we have the basic formula for this. To calculate minimum clearance, it is the difference between the minimum size of the hole and the maximum size of the shaft, that is lower limit of hole minus upper limit of shaft.